Hey guys, thanks for watching the Install Pros channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a door edge guard made from paint protection film on this Toyota RAV4. If you're new to our channel, make sure you check out the description of this video as you'll find a link to the product that we're installing.
The first thing that you want to do is take an alcohol prep pad, pour some alcohol and water, and clean the edge. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is remove the backing from the material. The backing is the white part. Take the clear paint protection film, line it up on the top, keep it off the vehicle, and press down as you go. Okay, trim to fit. And roll and wrap the edge.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please take the time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, check out the description of this video as there'll be a link to the product that we've installed. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check it out.